Hi everyone, this is RK. Welcome back to Draw with RK Art YouTube channel. Let's draw little Krishna with float. First start with outline. I took 10 minutes to draw the outline, but for the video I speed it up. You must draw lightly in the first. If you got a proper counter, then tag the lines in the next step. I took more 5 minutes to dark the lines. Let's draw detail. Eyes, flute, jewelry. Erase unnecessary lines. Shade entirely. Do you like it? Tip 2 shade. Here it is. Earbud. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment below.